How to fix Windows 11 25H to fail to install with any error. Hello friends, are you facing any error when trying to install Windows 11 25H2? If yes, then here in this video, you will find some trustworthy methods to fix it. Follow the steps in the methods carefully. First of all, fix problems using Windows Update. This method simply fixes all the reasons why Windows 11 25H2 update failed to install. So we give priority to this method over other. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down, click on Recovery. You will find Fix Problems using Windows Update over here. Click on Reinstall Now for this option. Click on OK. After clicking on OK, a repair version of Windows 11 25H2 will be started downloading. Let the download complete. Once completed, Restart Now button will be apparent here. Click on this button. After a few restarts, the repair version of Windows 11 25H2 will be installed. After that, try to update to Windows 11 25H2. After completion of the repairing, come to this Windows Update settings page and click on check for updates. The next method to try is use Windows 11 25H2 enablement package. Having 160 to 170 kilobyte, all you need to do is to run the file on your system. Windows 11 25H2 will complete the remaining function for the upgradation. Note that this method is working for computers running Windows 11 24H2. It will not be successful for 22H2 or earlier versions. Follow the steps to use the enablement package. Go to the video description. In the video description, you will find the link to enablement package. Click on the link and download the package. After downloading, you will find these files on your computer. If your system is x64 based, then right click on the file having x64.msu and select open. If your computer is ARM64 based, then use this file. Right click on this file and select open. After running the file, restart your computer. Windows 11 25H2 will be enabled automatically. If you are already installing with the enablement package and are still unable, then you can upgrade to 25H2 using ISO file. This is a long process, so we will discuss it in the last portion of this video. You can use this method when every method fails. Now let's go to the another troubleshooting method, which is reset Windows Update components. To reset, click on search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator. Now go to the video description to find some commands. You will find these commands in the video description. You will have to run these commands one line at one time. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running the commands, close the command prompt, close other running tasks, and restart your computer. Then check for updates and see if Windows 11 25H2 is downloaded. If it is downloaded, restart your computer for the installation. If the error still persists, then modify services. To modify services, click on search, type services, right click on services, select run as administrator, scroll down and look for Windows Update. Right click on this service, select properties, make sure that the startup tab is automatic here. If it is not automatic, Click on this drop down and select automatic. Click on apply. Make sure that service is running. If it is not running, click on start. Click on OK. In the same manner, look for app readiness in the list. Right click on this service. Select properties. The startup type must be automatic here. If it is not, select automatic and click on apply. Click on start because the service is stopped. When the service is stopped, the start would be highlighted. Click on OK. Then look for background intelligent transfer service. Right click on this service. Select properties. Change the startup type to automatic. If it is not, click on apply. Click on start if it is stopped. Click on OK. Do the same with cryptographic services. Right click on this service, select properties. The startup type should be automatic here. The service should be running here. If you find the same as on my computer, then click on OK. Close the services window and go to Windows Update settings and click on check for updates. The next method is run SFC and DISM tools. For this, click on search, type CMD, click on run as administrator. Again, go to the video description. This time you will have to run these two commands. Copy the first command, system files checker command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Wait for the process to 100% complete. After completion, copy the DISM restore health command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Once completed, close the command prompt, close the other tasks and restart your computer. Then check for updates, and if any of the methods don't work, use ISO to install the new version. To do this, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on this link, scroll down and from the create Windows 11 installation media section, click on download now. Click on the exe file, click on accept on this window. Use recommended options for this PC. Click on next. Here select ISO file. Click on next. Select a location and click on save. The ISO file will be downloaded in some minutes. Click on finish. Once completed, right click on the ISO file. Select mount. Right click on setup.exe. Select open. Uncheck this box. This option will take much more time, so uncheck it and click on next. Click on accept for the applicable notice and license terms. Click on install on this window. Your computer will restart a few times and Windows 11 25 H2 will be installed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.